Hello. As you know, especially if you've been here a while, you'll know that I am a big Demoji fan. And from the people who make Demoji, I'm just seeing if I've got a picture of Demoji. Here, here's Demoji. From the people who, Angel, who draws Demoji, she also created a Sabbat Planner. Now I bought this last year and I'm going to be quite honest, I didn't use it. So I think I've found a solution of how to use this. Let me show you what I've come up with. Hello buddy, it's Edwina from My Craft Orchard. How are you? I love Demoji, absolutely love Demoji. So I have ordered a few things from her, from Persephone's Boutique, who does Demoji. Here they are, here's Demoji. That's the September freebie, and then that was the October freebie. I just love him, absolutely. And she has created, I'll go through these stickers in a minute, but she basically has produced one of these. Now last year I felt the artwork was very dark, but it was lovely, and I have done a video which of me setting it up and talking about how I'm going to use it. The reality is I never used it, but it's okay, because even though it was dated for last year, I could take the artwork out or use the pages or whatever, so it's not a total loss. So let me show you, this goes from Shaman to Mambon. So it actually starts Halloween time, October time now, and some of the artwork in this is absolutely amazing. I will link Angel and her flip through of this planner down below, so she can tell you all about it herself. She's then also done a video again, which I'll link down below, of her filling out the first section of this, like a vlog, which it was amazing. Look at that, oh, look at that. It's just really nice planner. So when I got this, I had a look at it and I thought, you know what, I want to use this year, have it. But when I sort of open it, let me open it to there, it did this. It does this whole bunching up and doesn't lie flat. So I even tried doing the old, you know, like that. Still not happy with it. I'm still not happy with this, because it's a thick planner. There's a lot of pages in this planner. So I had to think about it and I thought, oh, what can I do? So I pulled the pages out, basically. I opened it up just probably about that much, like that, and I sort of pulled it back until I saw the binding, and then I very carefully ripped the page out off the binding. And as you can see, I've actually done it all for Christmas as well. So let me show you some of these Christmas pages. Look at him, because obviously Christmas is coming, and that'll be the next one, but we're still in Halloween. So look at that, I just love it, it's amazing. That actually, no, that I've done in Blick as well. So this is Yule, these are the Yule ones. This is the sort of the Christmassy vibe that she's gone for, which I think is amazing, absolutely amazing. The artwork in here, I am so loving it, and the blessings, and there's like Yule spice hot chocolate. I so want some of that, I have to say. So I took the pages and I thought, this cover is amazing. I don't want to lose this cover, and I also don't want to lose the back cover. I want to leave it as a journal, but I want it usable, so I don't want it sort of as the book, because it wouldn't open properly. So I thought about it, and I thought, oh, I could make myself a ring binder with the cover, plastic cover, and use like a clear cutting mat and actually create my own. And then I went onto Amazon, and this is the 23, totally and utterly out of date, and it was £9. I couldn't buy a set of, these are metal rings by the way, I couldn't buy a set of metal rings for £9. So not only do I get a set of really, really nice sort of pinky metal rings, but these covers are plastic and they're see-through, look. Front and back. So what I've done, I've got a cheap notebook. I use Happy Planners anyway. So the inserts that are in this one. Now, this Happy Planner was Beautiful Blooms. And it's a vertical layout. Yeah, so this is a Beautiful Blooms. And as you can see, the pictures, again, these are amazing, all this is. And I will use these. I'm deciding because I've now got this and some other Happy Planners, I'm going to sort of set up a hybrid system that I'm going to use. So none of this is going to go to waste. None of this this paper or these layouts, because I use this layout a lot for quarterly planning and in my new content planner and all that sort of stuff. So none of this is going to go to waste. So I took the monthly divider and I've used that as a size to cut the pages. So if I did that like that, look how nice that looks. You can see it through, and it actually works out. If I can measure it properly, it says let your ideas bloom, Sabbat Planner and Journal, and you can see all of the writing and Persephone's Boutique at the top there. So I can position it so that there it says, which is actually on this plastic cover, goes between the writing on the cover of the planner. I love it. I think it is fantastic. So what I've done, obviously I've ripped everything from the front out. This is Angel, and this is like the front. So I've done the whole of this. I've done the Sabbat right up till Yule. So these are now all cut. I haven't punched them because I ran out of time basically, but I haven't punched them. And so they will sit perfectly, and I've done them to the same size because I'm not using the these, and I thought that way it would give me more room. So this is what it's now going to look like for October, and I can fill these in, punch them, fill them in, and look how easy that turns, you know. And I'll be able to take that, you know, take that one out, and I'll be able to write on it and then put it back in, and it's going to be so much easier to use. Oh, look at that. Oh, these pictures are amazing. So yeah, I think this is going to work really, really well by putting it into the taking it apart and put it into the Happy Planner. Believe me, I really did wrestle with the fact that it's a bound book and I'm taking it apart. There was a conscious part of me was like, is that a good idea? Do you think I'd do it? And then in the end, I came to the conclusion that I've bought this. It's mine to do with as I will. Now I can either leave it on the shelf and not use it like I did last year, which would be a waste of money, if I'm honest. I could find a solution to use this in a way that makes me happy. This is the solution to that. So in addition to the Sabbat Planner, which I bought off Amazon, I'll put a link down below. I also ordered some other things that she's got, so I'll do this really quickly. So those were the freebies. You've got those two freebies and that one. And then she always includes a card, like a journaling card, because she has like a reward system. I don't think any of these stickers have got it on. There's a reward system anyway on some of her stickers, which you can collect, and then you get freebies. I think that's a sticker sheet, exclusive accessory, and a free t-shirt. So depending on, you know, how many you collect, you have the reward system there. So these are new for this. So we've got Monday with the Demoji face. They're brilliant. I love those. And then these actually start in January. So let me get them right in the right order. So these are January stickers. That's March with the rainbows. These are all Demoji stickers. February and April. I love their umbrellas on that. And they're date stickers. She's doing stickers on washi paper as well as normal sticker paper. This is one to say about her Ko-fi. Again, I will link this down below. She's got a Ko-fi site where there's content and things like that. And then this a bit more about September, which is, again, I think this on the university. Again, all of this is linked on Persephone's Boutique's website, so I'll make sure I'll get all that down below if you're interested in any of that. So very quickly, so these are the packs of stickers. So there's like coffees and boot. I love the boots. A hat, jumpers, books, more boots. Oh, look at that. So these are sort of like the stickers that are the pictures that have come out of the I think there are editions. I don't think all of these are in the Sabbat Planner, but a lot of these are. That's going in my Halloween planner. And then you've got these, and there are a few more, but I've given a few to my mum and my sister. So yeah, I mean, to come, I'm going to be using these a lot, I think. That one I stick in November, because like November I tend to do a lot of deer and that sort of thing in November. And then I've got some window ones. I think this is two different packs. I think there was a windows pack and then a scenery pack as well. But there you have it. There you have it. What do you think? Let me know. Comment down below. Do you have a witchy type of journal? Do you love Demoji same as I do? I know we're a growing band, and if you've seen I've got a video on when I bought the t-shirt and all of those sort of things. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know. Are you part of the Love Demoji team, or are you a witchy type of person? Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think by taking the information out of this Sabbat Planner and putting it in the Happy Planner system with the rings and the cover, just that, will work and I will use it? Would it be something that you would have thought about, or do you think it would work for you? Let me know. Comment down below. And hopefully I'll get an update of how I'm using this in the next few months, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.